Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to save chat as PDF on Cloud AI. You'd expect a nice little download as PDF button sitting somewhere in Cloud AI, but nope, it's a bit more creative than that. What I usually do is open a conversation I want to save, then simply ask the AI to turn the chat into a PDF. Feels a little strange at first, like you're asking it to package its own thoughts, but it actually works. After I send a prompt, the AI processes everything from the conversation, including the title and responses, and generates a document file. Once that pops up, I click onto the preview just to make sure everything looks right. If something feels off, I can even ask it to adjust the format or content before downloading. Then it's just one tap on download, and the file saves directly to my device. If your chat is long, give it a moment to process. It's doing more than just copy and pasting behind the scenes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.